Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept in healthcare. It is here, it is evolving rapidly, and it is fundamentally transforming how medical research is conducted across the world. For decades, healthcare research relied on human expertise, clinical trials, laboratory experiments, and years of analysis. While these methods have delivered life-saving breakthroughs, they are often slow, expensive, and limited by the sheer volume of data humans can process. Today we are witnessing a shift. With the rise of advanced computing, machine learning, and big data analytics, AI is accelerating discoveries in ways that were unimaginable just a decade ago. From detecting diseases earlier to discovering new drugs faster, artificial intelligence is reshaping the entire research ecosystem. This is the new era of healthcare research. The rise of AI in healthcare research. Healthcare generates massive amounts of data every single day. Electronic health records, imaging scans, genomic sequences, wearable device data, clinical trial results, and published research papers. The challenge is not the lack of information. The challenge is making sense of it. AI systems are designed to identify patterns in enormous datasets. Unlike humans, who may take months or years to analyze complex information, machine learning models can process millions of data points in minutes. Organizations such as OpenAI and DeepMind have developed advanced AI models capable of understanding language, recognizing patterns, and solving highly complex problems, capabilities that are now being applied to medical research. This marks the beginning of a smarter, faster research paradigm. AI in early disease detection. One of the most powerful applications of AI in healthcare research is early disease detection. In fields like oncology, cardiology, and neurology, early diagnoses can mean the difference between life and death. However, subtle patterns in medical imaging are sometimes difficult for even experienced specialists to detect. Machine learning models trained on thousands or even millions of medical images can identify abnormalities with remarkable precision. AI systems today assist in detecting cancers in mammograms, spotting lung nodules in CT scans, and predicting stroke risk from brain imaging. What makes AI especially powerful is its ability to detect patterns invisible to the human eye. It does not get fatigued. It does not overlook subtle pixel-level changes. Instead of replacing doctors, AI acts as a second set of eyes, increasing accuracy, reducing diagnostic errors, and supporting clinical decision-making. The result is earlier intervention and improved patient outcomes. AI-powered drug discovery. Traditional drug discovery is a long and expensive journey. On average, it can take more than 10 years and billions of dollars to bring a single drug to market. Researchers must identify a biological target, screen thousands of compounds, conduct laboratory tests, and move through multiple phases of clinical trials. AI is dramatically shortening this process. Machine learning models can analyze molecular structures, predict how compounds will interact with biological targets, and identify promising drug candidates in a fraction of the time required by conventional methods. Instead of physically testing millions of combinations, AI can simulate these interactions virtually. Generative AI models are even capable of designing entirely new molecules tailored to specific diseases. This shift from trial-and-error experimentation to intelligent simulation is revolutionizing pharmaceutical research and accelerating the development of life-saving treatments. Transforming clinical trials. Clinical trials are essential for validating the safety and effectiveness of new treatments. However, they are often delayed by recruitment challenges, high costs, and patient dropout rates. AI is improving every stage of this process. By analyzing electronic health records, I can identify suitable candidates for trials more efficiently and accurately. Predictive models can estimate how patients are likely to respond to treatments, reducing the risk of failed trials. AI also enables real-time monitoring of patient data, improving safety oversight, and ensuring faster decision-making. This leads to smarter, more efficient, and more inclusive clinical trials, bringing treatments to patients faster. Natural language processing in medical research. Every year, thousands of medical research papers are published worldwide. No human can read and synthesize all of them. Natural language processing, or NLP, allows AI systems to read, interpret, and extract insights from vast amounts of scientific literature. AI can identify trends across studies, highlight research gaps, and even connect findings from different medical disciplines. For researchers, this means less time spent reviewing literature and more time focused on innovation. NLP is turning overwhelming information into actionable knowledge. Generative AI and biomedical innovation. Generative AI represents one of the most exciting frontiers in healthcare research. These systems do not simply analyze data, they create. Generative AI can propose new drug molecules, simulate protein structures, and suggest novel research hypotheses. In protein research, AI models have predicted complex protein structures with unprecedented accuracy, helping scientists better understand diseases at the molecular level. Rather than working alone, researchers are now collaborating with AI systems that enhance creativity and expand scientific possibilities. AI is becoming a research partner, augmenting human intelligence rather than replacing it. Ethical considerations and data privacy. As powerful as AI is, its integration into healthcare research raises important ethical questions. Healthcare data is deeply personal. Protecting patient privacy must remain a top priority. AI systems must be trained responsibly to avoid bias. If datasets lack diversity, AI predictions may be less accurate for certain populations. Transparency is equally critical. Researchers and clinicians must understand how AI systems arrive at their conclusions. Regulatory frameworks are evolving to ensure that AI-driven healthcare solutions are safe, fair, and trustworthy. The future of AI in healthcare will depend not only on technological innovation, but also on ethical responsibility. The future, human and AI collaboration. Looking ahead, the future of healthcare research is not about humans versus machines. It is about collaboration. AI excels at processing vast amounts of data, recognizing patterns, and performing repetitive tasks with speed and precision. Humans excel at empathy, ethical judgment, creativity, and contextual understanding. Together, this partnership creates a powerful synergy. We are moving toward precision medicine, treatments tailored to individual genetic profiles. We are advancing real-time health monitoring through wearable technology, powered by predictive analytics. We are building smart hospitals, where AI supports decision-making at every level. The next decade will likely bring breakthroughs we cannot yet fully imagine. But one thing is clear: AI will play a central role in shaping the future of healthcare research. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare research from a slow, linear process into a dynamic, data-driven ecosystem. It is accelerating discovery, improving diagnostic accuracy, revolutionizing drug development, enhancing clinical trials, and opening doors to innovations that were once considered science fiction. Yet, the true power of AI lies not in replacing human expertise, but in amplifying it. The journey is just beginning. The future of healthcare is intelligent, and together, through responsible innovation and human-AI collaboration, we have the opportunity to redefine what is possible in medicine.